Okay, so we're going to do a Alexander Calder sculpture. It's very fun and it's very easy. And I have this pre-cut cardboard. You can use any size you want. And then I hot glued a little stand to the back. So once I get done, it's going to be upright. So, and then all I did was, kind of trace some paper. And I'm just using colored cardstock, but you can use anything you want. This is going to cover it, but I'm going to cut outside of my trace because that paper is going to wrap around. I'm going to glue it to the back side. And you can mix up the colors. I'm just going to go with a solid color for my front on this. And you can see I'm cutting it a little larger. So I can wrap around and glue it down. So I'm just going to place that on top. I'm going to use some glue stick. Get this paper out of the way. And you can use hot glue, you can use Elmer's glue, it doesn't matter what you use. I will cut out a little slit for this area where my stand is. Hope I cut that all right. Yeah. I'm just going to fold the paper over. Down. I hope it stays, otherwise. Glue it down like that. Any extra paper you can just cut off. And I do want a little opening at the very top. There. I have that part done. And the next part is really easy and really simple because Alexander Calder, he invented like the mobile, and he created a lot of his sculpture pieces with movement to them. And a lot of just some organic shapes, and so I'm just going to cut out some kind of odd different shapes. I think no right or wrong way. A couple different ones. See there. I'm going to use a couple different colors. And I might cut these down too after I'm done. There's a shape. So what I'm going to do too, I might just add a little of these. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of play around and see what I want to do. Just might make this a little smaller. And then I'm going to decide how I want my pieces to go. So I'm just going to take my glue stick and just kind of place it there. Place this there. Just kind of make a accordion shape coming off of this. On these sides. Any way you do this, just have fun and play with it. There's no right or wrong way. And he had a lot of movement in his pieces too, so this one you can play with, it will have movement. So you just want to get a straight pin. Maybe have a parent with you so you don't poke yourself. And I'm going to place this probably right about there inside my sculpture piece. And then this is going to go on top into my cardboard. There's just a little top to it. And see, you're going to have movement. So you have movement. You can play with it. And two, you can always add some shape to your piece, and you can use more than one color, or yeah, one color for your base part. And I think I might just maybe add that right there. I kind of like that. Oops. And you can decorate your base too. And here's one I've done a long time ago with primary colors. And you can see how that one moves.